Hello. Next, I'm going to tell you about the very first step in working with React Native, that is environment preparation. On the screen, now you can see the Getting Started by Facebook for the installation of React Native. Please select an appropriate operation system and follow installation dependencies. After finish on an environment installation step, I will take you to the next step of editor installation. There are different types of editor working well with React Native, but I do recommend that you utilize used by Facebook for their internally developed React Native. Now we are entering the major part of pre-work to create project. Please type init command on your terminal. It takes around 5 minutes for this step done. Oh, sorry. Now you are in the project folder to build Android application. Please start the first command React Native run Android, then another terminal will appear. That is Node.js server has been transferred JavaScript from React Native to emulator. Please note, never shut down this server to maintain the connection between React Native and emulator. As you can see, your project is ready, and add project to your working space, you add project folder. Here I'm using Atom, that is actually Nuclei. As we all know, Nuclei is installed on top of Atom. So click Add Project and navigate to your project folder. Open it, then the file index and .android.js. Now try to change the default content to whatever you want and save. Next, go back to emulator, double tap R or press Command M and select Reload option to see update content. So I press Command M, and reload. And under your project folder, create a sub-app subfolder and new file calculator.js. Next, now we need to import React Native to calculator 5. Type after me, or you can copy from React from index.android.js. And now we are moving back to index.android.js and remove all unnecessary tabs. and import calculator component. Save, and play calculator component tag in the return method. And this step forward, we will work in Node mainly on calculator.js and reload emulator, and you can see the update. Yeah. Now we are in the layout object calculator that need to be accomplished. First, you need to enable leaf load that helps your emulator automatically update when you make change on your files by press Command M on your emulator and select enable leaf load. Let me show you, and press save. And you can see the new content will update. Yes. And next, we create 6 fields: header, view amount, text input, header, view amount, text input, tip amount, segment control, result, and 3 extra fields for update checking. We forgot segment control here. Result. Cannot find input text. Text input. Okay, now next we open web page React Native of Facebook and to see segment control render for iOS only. But we need the segment control for Android, so you need to search another component that will work for both platforms. As I mentioned on Quip, so you can look into that. So here you can see. Now I'm giving you a screenshot of how it actually works, and install it by copy and paste this command line into your terminal. And done. Next, I will show you how to use it. Please copy and paste import segment control in your calculator. Here. And then add a segment control tab. Here, they have a small mistake in this sample, so just remove this. And press save. And you need to learn about using segment control. Click example to see the way they get the event or something advanced. That's it. And now try to run React Native log to see the result. And the number you see in your terminal is the index value of segment control. What you need next is a function to handle change of segment control. Okay. We set to state. And we need a default constructor. And then we update the segment control to see how it changes on the screen. Save. And then we select one first. Next, you need to get the value from build amount. Then you need a property called onChain text to get the input key. We'll say build amount. We can put the parameter here. Have the build. So then we set the state. And we need the initial in constructor. And then we put on the string to see how it changes when we type. And save. And here you can see. Now you can get the text input. So basically on the variable must also be initial. Next, to make it clear, try to use a simple function to return the segment value here. Okay, basically you got all information so far. Then the last step will be calculation. So quite simple, huh? At first step calculation, you need first to set the current bill amount to stay here to give the value. Then we convert the bill from string to float. Next, you need to get the current index of segment that already stored in segment selected index. No. This will return 10% or 50% or 50, and then we need to convert 50% to 0.1, sorry, 0.5 or 0.15. And now, and this line they return 10 or 15 or 50. So then we divide 100 to return 0.1 or 0.5. Voila! Now just sum it up. We have bill plus with bill multiple with percent. Oh. And now we can set to state to see how it works. And we need initial result and a tip amount to see how tip amount calculate. Copy here and we put on the result and tip amount and save. Okay, we type 50, oh, sorry, 50, 10%, and tip amount is 5, segment control is 0. Okay. So basically we can know exactly how much percent they return by then save. Then we type 50 and the segment control is 10%, 15%, but let's see. But what happened when we change the segment control? Nothing happened because we don't put the handle bill amount change on segment event. So we just put here bill amount change, we get the current bill amount and index. So here we put index and check. Zero. So we get index from state. We copy this here. Okay, now we try again. Type 50 and 50%. Is it correct? Okay, 15%. Now tip about 25. So total result is 75. Yep, it's correct. Almost done. Add a bonus. Make your layout look better by stylish. Add and enjoy your work. I will put it in Quip. Thank you for watching.